if you start saying the words, even you don't understand what he says. Start saying the words from Torah. Take a Mishnah, take a Gemara, start reading. Start zogen. Say the words. Say a page after a page. This is gonna bring you to the highest level. The Rebbe gives us a Seider Derech limit, a way for every person to learn the Torah. Usually, people think that the Torah is not for every person. This is for the Metziyunim, the Yeshivish guys, the Lamda. Not understanding, learning. I was in Cheder. The Rebbe didn't give me a chavrusa. He put me in the back to sitting a whole year. Usually people think Shas, Reb Chaim Kanievsky, he finished every year the Torah. There's a big tzaddik and there's a big Talmud Chochem, but I'm a failure. I'm not cut out for this. This is the way I say. I'm not cut out for this. Here comes in the Rebbe. The Rebbe gives us a derech limit for every person. For every person. It's not different if you have brain, if you are smart, if you're not smart enough, if you are stupid, if you're not stupid. It's not different. Take a Gemara, take a Mishnah, start saying the words with a chayshik, bekol. The Rebbe says if you're learning bekol, if you're learning, you hear what you're saying. Miskayim beyudoy. This is Gile Farichas Yomim. Start saying the words. Take a Mishnah. It's my Mesakoyrin as Shema Ba'arvis. Mishu Shekahanim. Say the words. So